Marvelous Manners by Karen Lugers, illustrated by Alex Weishart. Words to learn. Considerate, thoughtful of the feelings and needs of others. Good manners, words and actions that are kind and respectful. Polite, showing kindness and respect to others. Things to learn from this story. Using good manners shows you are polite. Using good manners shows you think of others. Using good manners shows respect. Using good manners is important when visiting a friend's house. Knock knock. Tori is visiting her boyfriend Matt. She know it is important to use good manners when visiting a friend's house. She waits until Matt's mother opens the door. Hi, Miss June. How are you? Tori says. Matt Mothers answers, I'm fine, thank you. Come on in. Matt Mother's mother asks Tori if she would like something to drink. Tori answers, yes, please. Matt Mother gives Tori a can of sparkling water. It is not her favorite drink, but Tori will still say thank you. Tori waits for Matt in the living room. She talks to Matt Mother. Matt Mother is very nice to Tori. When Matt comes in, Tori smiles and says hello. She is always happy to see him. Matt asks Tori if she wanted to watch a movie. Sure, Tori answers. You can pick the movie this time. Tori picked her favorite movie last time. This time they will watch a movie Matt likes. Before the movie, Tori helped Matt make popcorn. Tori gets bowls and napkins while Matt put the popcorn in the microwave. They share the popcorn with Matt's mother as they watch the movie. Tori eats slowly. She uses a napkin and chews with her mouth closed. When they are done, Tori helps Matt clean up the mess. It is getting late. Tori knows that it is time to go. She thanks Matt's mother for having her over. Matt walks Tori to the door. Tori thanks Matt and tells him goodnight. Tori leaves. Matt's mother says, Matt, Tori is always welcome to come over. She is polite and uses good manners. Tori's manners shows Matt and his mother that Tori respects them. Tips: always remember to say please and thank you. Talk to your parents of your friends. Clean up after yourself. Don't overstay your welcome. Other people like when people are polite.